Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Just a quick breakfast this morning. I am going to make migas with egg, Chile Piquing, and of course, but first, coffee, right? So I'm making my little big cup of coffee on one of my favorite cups, Mamacitas. It's a done cup. So just join me. I am going to be adding creamer and sugar to my coffee, so excuse the noises in the background, the opening of the packages and things like that. My mom was watching TV in the background after I made her breakfast. And since she doesn't like chili and spicy things, I made her breakfast first, and then I made my breakfast. So sit back and enjoy, and I will come in and explain what I'm doing. But like I said, first, my coffee. Also, I will be adding on the side some sliced tomato. I'll add salt and pepper as I go along. And you will also hear probably my chickens in the background, you guys. It's a beautiful day, so we have the back kitchen window open, and the screen door is open, and we're enjoying a beautiful day here in South Texas. So let's make some breakfast. Friends, please excuse my sniffling, my coughing, my clearing of the throat. It's spring, there's pollen, and my allergies are going crazy. So please excuse that as well, friends. Just bear with me, and let's make this breakfast. Friends, let's get ready to make the breakfast. Okay, I will be using 3 corn tortillas, so I like to lay them out, and then I like to cut them in strips and then in bite-sized squares. You can also tear these into bite-sized pieces, but I like to cut them up. I'm using 3 tortillas, like I said, and let's cut them into bite-sized pieces. It's that time of year again. Spring is here, and it's time to clean up. Not just our closets and garages, but our city. Chile Piquing Beautiful is hosting the Great American Cleanup, and don't mess with Texas Trash Off. And joining us with all the details is Mama Minister Beba. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I love this event because this is when I get to talk to the whole community, maybe even the Rio Grande Valley, to come out and help the gallant beautiful. Let's prepare the tomato. We'll take a tomato off this little vine here, and we will just start slicing it into nice slices and put it on our plate and get it ready, get everything prepped, ready for the migas. Let's add some pepper and salt to taste. I like to use the pink salt and just regular black pepper. Next, I will prepare my fresh eggs from my chickens that y'all just heard in the background. So I like to crack it up on the top and just take off a little bit from the top of the egg and get the egg out, of course, because we make Easter eggs, guys. We make cascarones. So we save them for my nephews and nieces, my grandson. So I make cascarones. Of course, when we make sunny side up eggs, I have to crack the whole egg. But I'm walking over, washing it out, throwing away the little top, and then we will crack probably about 4 or 5 eggs because they're like medium to small eggs. And you can see the beautiful color of my chicken eggs. They're just gorgeous. My chickens are gorgeous. They're very spoiled. They eat the best of the best. So you can see that we have regular brown eggs. I think there was a white egg in there. There's blue and green eggs. They're just gorgeous eggs. I will be adding pepper to taste. I really don't add salt when I cook the eggs. We did add it to the tomato, and then we'll add some at the end after they're cooked. But I don't like to cook my eggs with salt. I'll just add pepper. So let's mix, mix, mix. Scramble it up a little bit, and let's get ready to cook. Now I'll be adding the oil to a non-stick pan. I'll put it on medium heat, and we'll be adding the corn tortilla pieces. I like to cook mine to like a medium crunchy texture. Then you can just cook it like that and add the egg, but I like to add Chile Piquing, which is that tiny little chile. It's got a good bite to it, and it's preserved in vinegar. So I'll be adding that and cook those chiles with the tortillas and get them crunchy and yummy. Now that the corn tortillas are sizzling and almost ready, I will add 15 chile piquins and just get them nice and hot, and it's going to be nice, delicious, and spicy. When you get it to your desired texture, and this is how I like it, I will add my scrambled eggs And then just move it around in the pan, making sure everything gets cooked really well. I don't like my eggs super cooked. I like them tender. So I just keep moving it around, making sure everything is cooked to my desired taste. Keep moving those migitas. So these are migitas and egg with Chile Piquing. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. Okay, they are done. They're to my desired taste. So let me plate them up, get them on the plate. Make sure every little piece and morsel of your egg miguitas are in your desired spot on your plate before you devour. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Of course, this is the way I make them. You can make them however you want, but give it a try. Let me know if you tried it or how you like to eat your miguitas in the morning, or you can have them at any time during the day, I'm sure. But tell me how you like yours, okay? And if y'all give my recipe a try, let me know how you liked it. Comment down below. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. I like to eat them with my fork, my coffee. Enjoy it. You guys, let me know. Please subscribe, like, comment, invite, share. See ya.